Hello everyone, welcome back to Karthik's Chronicle. Following the previous episode, even this episode falls under the tag I wash my car. In this busy lifestyle, we do not get luxury of time and space to do so. I share the same pain with you. Me being an engineer and a busy husband, my work routine and households keep me occupied mostly. Yet the car lover in me tickles to pull out some time to maintain it myself. Again, the time and facilities are restricted, similar to the pressure washer, which you might have seen in my previous episode. I started searching for waterless quick car wash solution. If you have missed my previous episode, please click on the I button which you see on the top right corner. I came across many products from different brands. They were promising. From the lot, one I picked up first is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer. Please note this is not a paid promotion for this product. I'm just sharing my personal experience after using it over 3 months. Seeing the brand history, they are pioneer in producing auto detailer products. The hybrid solution lineup is their recent offering. This ceramic 3-in-1 detailer is a spray-based solution. It is claimed to provide safe waterless cleaning that intensifies shine and add ceramic wax protection. As the name says, there are 3 polymer-based properties from one product: Hydroglide waterless wash polymers, synthetic wax polymers, super hydrophobic and SiO2 polymers. So with these 3 properties, it is claimed that we can enjoy the benefits like scratch-free cleaning for all surfaces, increase in depth of color, gloss and shine, a unique blend that boosts water beading and chemical resistant protection for months. Now let us see how to use the product. It's a 3-step process: spray, wipe and buff. As directed, shake the bottle before use. You need multiple set of microfiber towels, 1 set of towels to wipe, 1 set of towels to buff. As per the directions, this spray can be used only on moderately soiled cars. If you have excess soil or dirt accumulated on your car surface, it is better to wash those surface with the water before using the spray. Use it with your own judgment. Spray a little on a fresh microfiber wipe towel. Then generously spray on the soil surface. It is recommended to work on one panel at a time. Do not let the product to dry on the surface. Then remove the product using wipe microfiber towel. Always work on one direction to avoid scratches. Once you remove all the products using the wipe microfiber towel, pick up the buff microfiber towel and buff it off. This buffing process gives the shine and it removes any excess streaks which were left out during wiping. Hope you can see the difference. The leftmost part of the hood is not cleaned yet. The middle portion of the hood and the rightmost is clean with this solution. You can see the gloss effect already. Now let me repeat the same process to the leftmost portion of the hood. I have used 2 different sets of microfiber towels, one for wiping and one for buffing. Both are with the 2 different GSMs. For your reference, I'll leave the product detail links in the description. Keep rotating the wiping towel as and when it gets soiled. Do not use the same soil surface over again for wiping. It might lead to scratches and swell marks. There is a good reason to pick this product among the lot. This car is wrapped with the paint protection film PPF. I wanted some detailer product to maintain the PPF properties. I've seen that this ceramic wax based detailer can maintain the hydrophobic properties and enhance the gloss effect. There you go. You can see the result now. One quick important note, do not use this product when your car is under direct sunlight. Always work under the shade or in a closed parking. Now I'll repeat the same process on the left fender and the door. To get the best out of this product, it is always good to work on the car which is decontaminated and polished at least once. And then this product can be used to maintain the gloss and the sleekness. And there you go. This is the car after the complete wash with the solution. The hydrophobic properties, the sleekness, the gloss effect remains for about 3 to 5 months. Then you can repeat the process as and when you see the difference in the properties. I had been using it once in a month as a waterless car wash. Going forward, probably I would increase the duration like once in 2 months. Now you can see the result of a hydrophobic effect. The water beads off quickly and it sheets off. Applying this product on the glass surface helps to keep the vision clean always. Hope this episode was informative. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.